Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you where are bookmarks in Arc. So if you have imported data from another browser and you started using Arc and you are trying to find bookmarks, how you can add bookmarks, how you can manage them, it is pretty simple. Bookmarks are now in this browser named as pinned tabs because bookmarks are pretty much tabs. If you create a tab over here, let's say I'm gonna go to YouTube, then I can create a bookmark, something that can be called a bookmark, by simply dragging it over here at the top above this line. These are permanent tabs or pinned tabs. If I right click the tab, or maybe let's use this one, and if I go to move to, I'm gonna use my my space that I use right now. The name can be seen over here. Then as you can see, we have two options. We have today and pinned, and if you pin, then it is there at the top now. And by doing so, these tabs will not be removed after time. They won't be archived by Arc in comparison to those tabs over here, and they will stay there forever. You can treat them pretty much as bookmarks. Everything that is stored over here, you can store them into the folders like so. As you can see, if I open the folder over here, I have a bunch of different bookmarks. And instead of like opening a separate tab in order to open the bookmarked link, the bookmark itself will be working like a tab, if that makes sense. So this is why they are called pinned tabs instead of bookmarks, but they work like bookmarks. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.